How to mix faces in FaceApp. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can mix faces in FaceApp. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you need to open up the FaceApp and select a photo that you want to mix. Now once you land on this kind of editing page, navigate to the bottom of this interface. There you get a bunch of options. So from there you have to look for an option that says face swap. If the options appears in this list right here, you have to tap on it. If the option is not there, that means the application is updated, and recently the FaceApp application has removed the feature for the face mix or mix face. So if the option is available for you, then you have to tap on face swap. After that, again you will get a bunch of options. From there, select the option as Face Morph. Now you can apply the morph effect to smoothly blend both faces. Once you tap on morph, you may be asked to choose another photo that you want to mix your recent photo with and select your photo. After that, you can find the tune using additional filters and then save the images. So that's the way to mix faces in FaceApp. But if the feature is not available for you, that means your application is updated and the feature is not longer available. And that's how you can mix face in FaceApp. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.